Hello, Sarah Peternell here with Family Nutrition Services. Today I'm doing a video for you guys with one of our family's favorite delicious and nutritious recipes. I call it the super easy breakfast smoothie. Couldn't be any better than that. Do you guys feel like sometimes when you're just doing, breakfast in the morning that it's impossible, whether you're short on time or the kids just aren't hungry or maybe they're picky? And you know what? Breakfast really is one of the most important meals of the day. So we try to start with a smoothie as much as possible because it's portable, it's easy, it's delicious, and it's nutritious. I usually have my smoothie right after I work out. So I just got off my Peloton bike that I love, and so now I'm ready for my smoothie. It's got lots of great ingredients, a little bit of protein for that post-workout recovery. But let me tell you a little bit also about this kitchen tool that I cannot live without. This is my Vitamix. I've had it for about 20 years. I got it when I was in nutrition school, and literally I am using the exact same one. I haven't had to replace any parts. I haven't had to have it serviced at all. This one is still in great working order. I use it every single day. The blade is still really sharp. If you're going to get a blender, you're going to get a kitchen tool to help you make smoothies, you need one that will literally pulverize all of the ingredients, because that's what makes it have that smooth consistency that tastes delicious and is not all lumpy and chunky and kind of gross. I've had those smoothies, they're not the best. So I'm gonna start just by putting my ingredients inside the smoothie. I'm gonna start with one banana. I've got everything here on a plate. I set this out last night. And about a half of a cucumber. I'm leaving the peel on. This is great for hydration, for electrolytes, and for a lot of nutrition. Obviously any green vegetable that you can put into your smoothie, especially if you have to sneak it in so the kids don't know, is fine with me. So one banana, half of a cucumber with the peel still on, and then about 1 cup of organic baby spinach. I always use organic produce, especially when juicing or doing smoothies, because I really want to make sure that I am getting the cleanest produce possible and not exposing myself or my family to pesticides. So now in here I've got the 1 banana, the half of the cucumber, and the 1 cup of baby spinach. I'm also going to add to this 2 pitted dates. So I don't know if you've ever purchased a date before, but they do have a little tiny pit, and you just kind of peel those out. Dates are usually pretty squishy. Take out the pit and add these in. This is what's going to provide a lot of the sweetness. You don't have to add really anything else. I am going to also add a little bit of orange juice. That'll help make it sweet as well. Then I have about 1 to 2 tablespoons of shelled hemp seeds. These are organic hemp seeds. You can even find these at like Costco now, but certainly you can find them in your health food store. I'm going to add those to it because hemp seeds are a great source of protein, omega-3s, and fiber, especially on the protein front. The next couple of ingredients are just basic liquids. You can use anything. We like the combination of both an unsweetened vanilla almond milk and a little bit of organic orange juice. This is kind of what the secret is for my kids to drink it, is that it kind of in the end tastes like orange juice. So I'm gonna add the almond milk, and I'm gonna add the orange juice. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get some ice out of my freezer. I'm just gonna do about 1 scoop of ice. That's about a cup's worth of ice. Colder smoothies definitely taste better. So just pop the canister on your Vitamix. I'll tell you about this in just a second. Turn it on. To blend my smoothie on high again so that it gets really smooth, a little bit frothy. And then in the last 15 to 20 seconds or so of blending, I'm going to add 1 scoop of an unsweetened, naturally flavored, it's called Pure Paleo Protein. If you guys have been working with me or one of my clients, you know I recommend this product a lot. It's by Designs for Health, and it's a wonderful protein powder supplement. It offers about 20 grams of protein per scoop, which is a really high amount. And the secret is that it's actually from hydrolyzed beef protein. I know that sounds a little bit weird. Doesn't taste like beef at all. Has kind of a natural vanilla flavor. And this is a great option for people who have sensitivity to whey, to dairy, to pea protein, which I'm seeing a lot more in my practice, and certainly if you want to avoid soy. This is a great kind of protein. So now I'm going to put my lid back on. protein powder in the last 15 to 20 seconds of blending because I don't want to over mix the protein powder. I want to keep it intact. But now it's nice and smooth. It's this beautiful bright green color. And I can go ahead and pour this into my glass and enjoy a delicious, healthy, whole foods based, and very nutritious smoothie. Perfect after a workout, perfect for your family on those busy mornings. Tastes delicious, everyone will love it. Cheers. Cheers to your health and have a great day. See you soon.